Welcome. If you manage a Telegram group and want to keep things organized by preventing members from sending music, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to restrict music sharing in your Telegram group. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Look for the familiar paper airplane icon and tap to launch the app. Once you're in, navigate to the group chat where you want to apply these restrictions. Remember, you need to be an admin to make these changes. At the top of the group chat, tap on the group's picture or name. This will open the group's information page, giving you access to all the group settings. Next, look for the edit icon, usually a pencil or similar symbol, and tap on it. This will take you into the group management options. Now find and select the permissions section. Here, you'll see a list of what group members are allowed to do, from sending messages to sharing different types of media. Tap on the Send Media option. This will open a detailed list of all the media types members can share, such as photos, videos, stickers, files, and music. To prevent members from sending music, simply unmark or uncheck the music option. This action will block group members from sending audio files or music tracks in the chat, while still allowing other types of media if you wish. After you've made your selection, be sure to save your changes. You can now return to your group chat, confident that only admins or those with special permissions can share music. By following these simple steps, you can keep your group focused and free from unwanted music files. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips to make your Telegram groups safer and more enjoyable for everyone.